how to make Pinterest account public. So if you want to make your Pinterest account public, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Pinterest application here. Once you launch the Pinterest app, come to your profile page from the bottom right. Tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and here you will see the option that says profile visibility under account management and above home feed tuner. So go to profile visibility, and since you want to make your Pinterest account public, you have to simply turn off the toggle next to private profile, and you can also turn off search privacy so that people can discover your account through search engines and so on. So once you've done this, your Pinterest account is basically just a public account and people will be able to find and view your pins. This way you'll be able to make Pinterest account public. I hope that this video helps you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.